Hello friends, I am Divyesh More and I am back with one another video that is change management and turnaround strategy. So first we are discussing what is change management. The concept of change management is a familiar one in most businesses today. So all businesses in all organization who follow the change management due to new technology. And this theory is given by Kurt Lewin in 1914 and still in use today in use today today the all organization use this theory. Kurt Lewin propounded a simple framework for understanding the process of organizational and change known as three-stage theory. In this theory, the three stages are involved. It involves the unfreeze, change and freeze. So let's discuss. These are the process of change. First is unfreeze, second change and refreeze. Unfreeze. It involves finding a method of making it possible for the people to let go of an old pattern that was counterproductive in some way. Unfreezing is necessary to overcome pressure. In many organizations, due to new technology, many organizations change their technology due to competition high and gaining more profit. In unfreeze stage, the organization can motivate the employee why we are making the change and why change are needs why change are needs for organization to prepare the organization to accept in the change. In unfreezing stage, the organization prepare the employees to accept the change due to new technology, and organization can convincing the employee why old strategy are not used. Next, change. This is the second stage of process of change, that is change. To In organization, the top management can motivate the employees and appearing to the employees to change the new technology. He uh, he told the employees what are the benefits of change and why we are important change in today's market. Involved uh, in this in this process, all the employees are involved and why we are moving to new technology. For accepting the change, the third step is refreezing, that is freezing. While accepting the change, the organization can provide training and knowledge to the new technology. Sometimes the employees may not aware and prepare about the new technology. In that time, the organization can provide the technology, and after the succeeding new technology and implement the new technology, the organization can celebrate the change. Next topic we are discussing today, Kurt Lewin force field model. This analysis was created by Kurt Lewin in 1914s. Lewin originally used in his work as a social psychologist. Kurt Lewin is a psychologist, social psychological psychologist person, and this model is used first in his work. Force field analysis is an influential development in field of social science. It is used in social science activity. It provides a framework. This model provides a framework for any situation. Four-field analysis provides an overview of the balance between driving forces and resisting change. Driving forces and forces for resisting. So these are the two forces in left side for and right side against. For these are the driving forces and against these are the resisting forces. The idea behind force field analysis is that the situation are maintained by an equilibrium when both are change in equally, that is called equilibrium point. In for competitive pressure, budgetary objectives, easy of administration, no cheaper alternative, improve efficiency. So that's why the organization can change. But in sometimes the employees are not aware about this. These are the against due to union opposition, restructuring cost, political pressure, opportunity cost are high. That's why the sometimes the organization cannot change in equilibrium point. Next we are discussing turnaround strategy. So what is turnaround strategy? The turnaround strategy is a retrenchment strategy, is also called retrenchment strategy, followed by an organization. Every organization can follow turnaround strategy when it feels the wrong, when it feels that the decision made earlier is wrong, and he cannot, and they cannot gain more profit. Simply, the turnaround strategy is a backing out or retreating from the decision wrongly made earlier and transforming from a loss-making company to a profit-making company. Why turnaround strategy? The every organization why turnaround strategy follow due to declining share market. Sometimes the share of the any organization can decrease, and that's why the organization can follow turnaround strategy. Falling gross and net margin, the company's net margin are fall down. Increasing cost or loss, the loss margin are increasing, and every cost are increasing. Falling revenue and profit are not gain more much more. Declining performance pressure, competitive pressure, and changing structure. That's all these all the points are these all the points are not. That's why the turnaround strategy. So thank you.